first pork ball. We're gonna put these in the oven and then we're gonna scramble some eggs. Hey, good morning, Papa here. I've gone crazy. I dream of these crazy ideas, and this one involved a tube of Jimmy Dean sausage. Now, just to help you with this, I sauteed it, and then right before it was done, I added 2 tablespoons of maple syrup just to kind of mix it in and give it that kind of, that bite of sausage that's had the pancake and the egg and the maple syrup vibe in it. So we have that to kind of make it sweet and stuff. Let me see if it tastes any good. Beautiful. Cinnamon grams. What's he doing? He's going nuts. Reserve the icing. We want to come in here in a very nice way. And I mean only the nicest way. Dip a little flour there, a little flour here. Then look out. This is starting just how I want it. A little bit more. Make sure we get the flour on the whole board so it doesn't stick, the bottom side. What's happened to you, Papa? You're doing these crazy things that we don't understand. Well, sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. Let's see what we do here. Now we're gonna put these in the oven and then we're gonna scramble some eggs. So we're getting the bread in the cinnamon roll and the cinnamon in the cinnamon roll mixed in with the fantastic dough and sausage. And I think you guys don't realize that most of these crazy ideas I get in my head, when you're seeing it, is the first time I'm cooking it. There aren't any dress rehearsals, and you probably can tell. Look, nothing ventured, nothing gained. Food is a great creative outlet that I don't know what I'd do without in my life. So we give it a try. We try things out. We see how they work. We like to say from Big Papa Smoker's, from the grill to the stove, it's all good. Your food just got better. So let's make some of these balls. Not tricky, the moisture in the pork adds a little challenge, but we're going to make it work here. There's our first pork ball. Pork ball, is that a good name? We'll find out. That one came out better. So we're almost done. We have 2 more to get done. Now we're going to bake it at 375 for about 15 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to scramble up some eggs and feed the impatient guests. Sealing them. The final one. There we go. Okay, instead of an egg wash, let's do something a little different. A little coconut oil, any oil you want. Spray on top. Then we're going to hit it with BPS Competition Stash. Chicken, ribs, pork, and now sausage balls. Maple cinnamon sausage balls. Okay, see you in 20 minutes. Okay, we're keeping this little thing going with the Jimmy Dean cinnamon roll balls. Let's put a little Louis in there. Give it some flavor. We love flavor. I'll scramble these up, and when they're done, I'll be ready to assemble the balls. Be right back. Okay, let's present. Just scallions, little Louis, little half and half, and eggs. Okay kids, pretty special, pretty fun. Now if you want, you can drizzle just a little bit of the icing over or the maple syrup, but I'm gonna leave it just like this. Here we go. Eggs and sausage bombs, bingo. Have a great rest of the day.